Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. What are you looking at? It is called the Tree of Us Viewpoint, Maligo, San Nicolas. It is a beautiful location. I highly recommend for everyone go and visit this place. You won't get disappointed. Please wear some nice jacket because this place is cold and windy. For more detail, please check the previous video. It is available on my channel right now. After visit this place, we are going back to our home. Right now 10 a.m. in the morning, we are crossing through Santa Maria, San Nicolas in Pangasinan province. On the way you will see a lot of beautiful town and sceneries. It was a pretty good sunny day. It was good for any type of video footage. I'm really happy. Looks like some kind of festival and fiesta celebration going on over here. You can see the decoration on the roadside. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. There is one thing about the Philippines. After visiting your destination, on the way back, you will see a lot of beautiful landscape. Because of that, you will explore the new place which is not in your list. Like that, I saw one small town. It is called Natividad. It was a beautiful town. It is located at mountain and the valley in between. So the landscape itself fantastic. Beautiful rice valley with a mountain view. Me and Kim Sung don't have a choice to stop over there and get a drone shot. This place worth to take a drone shot, so we decided to stop over here and fly our drone.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
After this, we are so hungry, we are looking for a place to eat. We found a place at Munyus, which is close to Balok. It is a small roadside shop. The food was very great. The staffs are very friendly. We had a great lunch over there. It costs only 220 pesos for both of us,
Have a chicken.
which is budget friendly.
Pork, that's vegetable, rice, asisma, royal.
The place was very clean, the staffs are very friendly, the food was good. I enjoyed it.
Very good.
Thanks to Kim Sung for showing around the Philippines. I leave his Facebook link in the bio. Please check it out and follow him. He's a very super nice guy. Around 1 o'clock, we almost reached the home. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.